Today we're going to discuss the importance of slope to drain in a CMU wall and MTI's slope to drain tool. Most masons screed off a bond beam or poured wall with the heel of their trowel. This can lead to a concave surface, which will lead to the ponding of water. The longer the water sits in the wall, the more damage it will cause. The slope to drain tool from MTI is made to put 1/4 inch slope to drain to the exterior in the bond beam grout in a CMU wall or at the top of a poured stem wall. You can see there's a half bubble slope in this 12-inch bond beam block grout. Most CMU walls are flashed and weeped using two smaller blocks placed side by side and by using a through-wall Z flashing. The MTI method improves on this design. The slope to drain tool, used in conjunction with MTI's cavity weep, creates a drainable, sustainable CMU wall system. The first step in the process is to make sure you have the proper structural requirements in the bond beam block according to the engineer specifications. Pour in the bond beam grout, making sure to have some excess grout to screed off to create the slope to drain surface. Using the slope to drain tool, screed off the excess grout. Make sure to have the leg tight against the interior side of the wall to create the proper slope to drain to the exterior. Once the grout has set up, apply the peel and stick flashing. Trim the flashing so it covers the exterior grout joint, but also leaves enough space to place the bed joint of mortar on the block. Roll out the cavity weep over the peel and stick flashing. Make sure to have the legs of the cavity weep extend past the face of the block. They will be cut off later. Apply the bed joint of mortar over the legs of the cavity weep. Continue laying up the block wall. When the mortar is still plastic, score the legs of the cavity weep with a sharp trowel or utility knife. Once scored, apply downward pressure and crack off. You see in this picture, the weep holes are located at the absolute bottom of the mortar joint, allowing maximum drainage. This animation shows how when moisture does get into the CMU wall, it is able to escape using MTI's cavity weep on a good slope to drain surface. Thank you for watching our presentation. You can learn more about these products and many of our other products at www.mtidry.com.